Nepali search and rescue teams on Tuesday recovered the body of the last of 22 people aboard a small plane that crashed in the Himalayas 2 days earlier and also found the flight's voice recorder. 2 Germans, 4 Indians and 16 Nepalese were on the aircraft that crashed 15 minutes after taking off from the tourist town 125 kilometers west of Kathmandu, on Sunday morning. A spokesperson for the Civil Aviation Authority of Nepal said the plane had only the voice recorder to preserve ground-to-air and air-to-air conversations. Modern planes have 2 such black boxes, a flight data recorder and a cockpit voice recorder. Nothing except the wreckage is left at the crash site now. All the bodies and the black box have been recovered. The Nepali government has set up a 5-member panel to determine the cause of the crash and suggest preventive measures for the aviation sector.